Okay, welcome back to the channel for the film Lonely Stick of Dynamite. Today we're going to be crate building the sequel, but we're going to be building a bigger size. The same size as you see at the beginning of all of our videos. So if you like what we're doing, subscribe and you can learn how to build bigger crates. Okay, so I'm using the same trestle as we did to build the bigger crate and some of the parts on the Helter Skelter bridge. I've cut them all to size, exactly the same as we did for the smaller crates, same proportion, 12 long pieces, 4 top pieces and 4 side pieces, and we're just going to stick them together. So we start with one of the bases, 4 of them together. You can use wood glue, I'm just using super glue for speed. Just hold the pieces together until they set. Put 4 sections together, this will be the base, and then we can build up the sides. Exactly the same technique we used for the smaller ones. So you've got our bottom piece. We can start building up the sides for these. 2 per side, 2 edges, and then a top. So building up the sides now. These are the same length as that base part. Just 2 pieces together. Hold them till they set, and then you can start building it up. So that's the 2 sides done. Got the base plate, and all we're going to do is we're going to glue those on and build the sides up. Okay, so we're just going to do the same for the side panels, the smaller pieces, build them up together so that we have the same size all round. The good thing sometimes about working a slightly bigger scale is you've got more room to do some weathering, break bits of wood off, which we'll do at a later stage. So that's the sides all done. You can start putting those together. Let's just hold it on there until it sets. Building up the shape of the crate. It doesn't have to be too exact. Last piece, and then we can do the top. It doesn't matter if you've got gaps in there. Like I say, this is not precision art. When they built these things years ago, they're not as precise as what they are nowadays. So that's the main body of the crate, and we're just going to do the lid and the cross beams. Glue in 4 of the links together again, create the lid. And this isn't going to be stuck on because we're going to do a bit of stop frame animation with the lids opening up. And there you go, that's the lid. So to finish off, we've got these 4 parts here. As you can see, that one's got a nice little knot that's come off. That's going to look good on top of the lid. So I'm going to place that one on the lid. Put these at a slight angle as well. They don't have to be perfectly straight. That's the lid completed. That's the bottom of the crate. So when I was cutting the trestles, they've got some nails in them as well, which we just pulled out. But you know, they leave these little holes that look like nails are actually in there. You can see a few of them all over the place on there, and it just adds to it. So it's a nice little touch. We could put some holes in there to simulate nails, but ones that have actually been in there, they've got the nice weathering already around them. And there you go, a larger crate. Don't forget to subscribe.